Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over my setup. The star of the show is definitely my updated PC. Other than minor changes here and there, my setup is pretty much the same as the last tour I put up back in January of 2017. Nonetheless, here's my fully updated 2018 setup tour. The desk is one you've probably seen a million times on YouTube, consisting of the 74-inch Carlby kitchen countertop and the black Alex drawers, both from IKEA. It's super long and super sturdy, which is exactly why I chose it. I like to keep my desk pretty simple because around my room, I've got 7 posters and 2 canvases that kind of display my personality in terms of what I like. Starting from the left side, I've got the same headphones I'm using right now to edit the video, the Superlux HD 681. Now I got these based on a recommendation from Tech Syndicate. I wanted something cheap, but also good enough where I could game and edit videos with. After a couple of hours, they do get a little warm on your ears due to the clamping nature, but overall, comfortness is a 7 out of 10. I recently got the Brainwaves Hm2 Headphones as a gift. I usually use these for when I'm listening to music. So far, my experience has been pretty good. The ear cups are nice and plush, and they fit nice and snug on my head. The sound isn't anything to get too excited about, but I still jam out to my favorite Spotify playlist. Behind the headphones, there's my PS4, Day of the Dead inspired tequila bottle, and a candle holder. For this, I carved off the inside of the candle once its lifetime had finished and just stuffed a bunch of string lights inside, which, in fact, are the same string lights I have around my bookshelf. For the keyboard, I'm still rocking the E-Element RGB mechanical keyboard I purchased on my shop back in 2015, and the Rocat Cone XTD mouse from eBay in 2016. Other than the cat logo fading from my daily use, they've both been great. I do enjoy the clicking sound of the blue Automy switches, though they don't feel like true Cherry MX switches. In the end, I still prefer the lighter feel of these. Above the mousepad sits my phone stand I use to place and charge my phone, and the Signia speakers I use for pretty much everything. For the monitors, I've got 2 normal Acer 1080p panels. In the words of the great Matt Philly,
double chinned, fatter than your mom.
But in all seriousness, I don't do any crazy 4K or 1440p gaming, so these work fine for what I do. And up top, I've got a 24-inch TV. I was having a conversation with some dude on a Discord server, and he introduced me to a tilt adapter from Roosevelt, which works perfectly to angle my TV. I use it mostly to display rainmeter applications like clock, so I can check the time at a glance, or clear text, which tells me which song's playing. Attached to my monitor arm is the mic I use in most of my videos, the newer NW700 sitting, or rather, through the newer mic arm. And now, the PC. Inside is rocking a Ryzen 5 1600, Strix RX 470, 16GB of penny RAM, and an MSI Tomahawk Arctic motherboard inside the beautiful Fantex Evolved ATX tempered glass case. Cable management was a real pain because of the cable extensions, and even now the door doesn't fully close, but I've decided to never ever visit it again. I'm not sure how it handles rendering, seeing as this is the first video I've put out since I built it, but for gaming it's a breeze. Temps are higher than expected on the CPU side, but I'm sure will go down once I purchase an aftermarket cooler. And finally, here's the coaster. Anyways guys, hope you have a great New Year's. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe, in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.